things that I don't like about Apple Watch. Complaining, it's easy. So let's start with that. It's so easy to pay with Apple Watch. Tap, push button twice and you can immediately pay. That could be a good thing, but when I want to save money, when I want to afford iPhone 15, I need to save money. I cannot spend money that easily, so that's the negative for me. One more device that I have to charge every single day. Design is very specific. I don't like it that much. Some people love it, but it's not for me. To be honest, most things you can check like faster on your phone than when you have to scroll, use the crown to find the app that you're looking for, and it takes so much time. And the fitness aspect. That was the reason that I bought Apple Watch, the fitness. And I was like really pleasantly surprised. I bought my first iPhone. I was, wow, it's amazing. So next step, let's buy Apple Watch. But I don't think it was worth it. But so the fitness, I changed my mindset about fitness, about working out. I don't care anymore. My goal is to exercise every day a little bit, like do some pull-ups, push-ups, or just walk a little every single day. And I don't care how many steps I did. And sometimes when I saw like the pace wasn't that good, or the workout was slower, or that I did less reps, and it didn't feel great. So it wasn't like good for my mental health, for my happiness to see like every metric of my workout measured. So I no longer measure my workouts. I don't even care. I know that I have to do some kind of exercise every day. That's it. So let's go to the positive things. Why I like to use like my watch face when I have like the most important thing like weather, check out the weather, timer apps, alarm. When I sleep in the hostels, I like to wake up, not by sound, but I listen to the vibration of my hand to not wake up other people in my room. You know, when you sleep with like 8 people in one room, I'm trying to be kind person and not wake up everyone when my alarms goes on. So I use it all the time. I think the good thing is like the sensors, the blood, or the heart rhythm. That could be good for some people, but you don't really check that after like one use. After that, it's not really useful. But for some people, it's very important. So I want to say that. And how I actually use it, other than like alarm to wake me up in hostels, to frame my shot. I started like filming every day using my iPhone. Thing that I can see myself, then start and turn on, turn off the camera from my iPhone. That it's amazing that I can do that. I can frame my shot. It's like works in a second. Sometimes it's lagging, it's bugged, didn't show the screen, but reset and it works again good. That's the best thing, that I can still keep my Apple Watch. I can still use Apple Watch because of this option that I can turn on the camera remotely, especially when I'm filming myself, I'm alone. So that helps a lot. That's the one reason why I love my Apple Watch still and I use it. Other small things, it's easy to unlock MacBook and iPhone using Apple Watch. And of course, like changing songs, that's very good. Or like turn up the volume or turn down the volume of the songs or podcasts. That's good. But overall, when I'm not filming or I'm not sleeping in hostel, I don't really like to wear my Apple Watch. I just less stuff in my life. The things that I own, or like the things that I have with myself when I'm walking, the less stuff, the better I feel. More things to think about. Did I pack that? Did I pack the charger to Apple Watch? Like I love minimalism. It's like a fancy word, minimalism. But yeah, less stuff, and I feel much better owning less. I feel happier. So yeah, that's gonna be my like thoughts about Apple Watch. I'm gonna use it because the filming myself, it so helps a lot. Thanks for watching. Right now too, I'm recording the sound from the Apple Watch. It's crazy. The sound is not that bad. It's actually very good. I'm so surprised. Like I edit a little bit in DaVinci Resolve. I thought about buying DJI mic, but my wireless mic could be like Apple Watch. It's crazy. Okay, that's a nice surprise. See you tomorrow.